In this video, I will show you how to change country in Pokémon TCG Pocket. So let's jump straight into it. Now to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Pokémon TCG Pocket. So once you've launched the app and logged into your account, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto these three lines to open up this menu. From here, what you need to do is come down and press onto the other option down at the bottom. Then what you need to do on this next screen is come up to the top and press onto settings. From here, all you need to do is simply scroll down the page slightly and you're going to see an option for country or region. So you can see mine's currently set to United Kingdom. What you want to do is press onto this box, and then what you can do is select your country or region of residence from the available countries from this list. Say, for example, I wanted to change to Poland, I would select Poland and then press the blue OK button to confirm my changes. At this point, the game's going to reload and take you back to the title screen, and that is how to change country in Pokémon TCG Pocket. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.